A factory without lights, without workers, and operating 24 hours a day is offering a glimpse into the future of global production, where artificial intelligence takes over every stage of manufacturing. In Beijing's Changping district, consumer electronics giant Xiaomi has launched a new generation smart factory covering 81,000 square meters. Operated entirely by AI and robotics, the facility is capable of producing 10 million devices per year without human presence on the shop floor. The model is known as a dark factory, so named because no lighting is needed in a plant where no workers are required. From raw material handling to final quality control, all processes are fully automated, driven by AI and big data systems. There's no lunch break, no night shift, said a remote operations engineer. The machines don't get tired. Xiaomi is not alone. EV maker BYD, e-commerce giant JD.com, and others are rolling out highly automated manufacturing hubs, including small, flexible microfactories that use AI to switch production lines rapidly based on market demand. The rise of dark factories marks a major shift in China's industrial strategy, from labor-intensive production to a decentralized, intelligent, always-on manufacturing ecosystem. According to the World Economic Forum, up to 83 million jobs globally may be lost to automation by 2027, while more than 60% of workers will need reskilling to stay relevant in the evolving job market. In solar manufacturing, China now commands over 80% of global capacity, helping push prices down by more than 70% over the past decade. In the EV sector, BYD overtook Tesla in European sales this April, aided by cost-efficient, AI-driven production lines. The Chinese government has accelerated this shift through subsidies and the development of AI pilot zones across major cities. Meanwhile, the US, Europe, and Japan are racing to catch up with industrial policies focusing on chip making, automation, and AI governance. But speed is proving critical. Even the best technology is no advantage if it can't be deployed fast enough, said an analyst in Shanghai. Dark factories are not just transforming how products are made, they are redefining labor's place in the global value chain.